In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see my profile in Facebook Dating. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. This app is typically found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Look for the blue icon with a white F. Once you tap on it, the app will load your newsfeed and other content. This is where you can connect with friends and share updates. However, today we're focusing on accessing Facebook Dating. It's important to ensure your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Next, tap on the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. This icon is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping this will reveal a list of options, from groups to settings. This step is crucial because the menu serves as the gateway to various features within the Facebook app, including dating. You'll feel more confident knowing you're navigating the app correctly. From there, scroll down until you find the dating option. Tap on it to enter the Facebook Dating section. This area is specifically designed for users to connect romantically. Once you tap on dating, you might see a welcome screen or a brief introduction to the features available. This helps set the stage for what you can do next. Understanding this section is key as it keeps your dating experiences separate and private from your general Facebook activity. Now, tap your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon often looks like a silhouette or your profile picture. Selecting this icon will take you directly to your dating profile, where you can view your current information and settings. This step matters because it allows you to see how you present yourself to potential matches. You can review your profile for accuracy and completeness. Next, tap on Dating Profile. This option will lead you to the specific details of your dating profile. You will see your profile picture, a bio, and any other information you have provided. Viewing this section is important as it reflects your personality and interests to others. Make sure everything looks good, as this is how others will get to know you. You want to present the best version of yourself. Now, if you want to make changes to your profile, tap on Edit Profile. This will open up various fields where you can update your information. You might change your photos, write a new bio, or adjust your preferences. Making these changes is essential because your dating profile should evolve with you. Keeping it current can help attract suitable matches. After you make your edits, remember to save the changes to ensure your updates are applied. Finally, take a moment to view your profile again after making edits. This will confirm that everything looks just the way you want it. You should see a confirmation appear that indicates your changes have been saved successfully. This last step is important as it gives you the reassurance that your profile is up to date and ready for potential matches. Remember, your Facebook dating profile is separate from your main Facebook profile. Changes you make to your dating profile do not appear on your Facebook profile. This separation is designed to keep your dating life private and distinct from your social interactions. Now you know how to see and edit your Facebook dating profile confidently. Enjoy your experience.